Hi, I'm Samantha from Danucera Skincare. Today I'm going to show you how I use the Master Mask. Master Mask is reinforced with pre and probiotics, and this beautiful orange color comes from microalgae. Master Mask is great for skin that's dehydrated, lacking resiliency, has maybe a little rosacea, can be acne prone, or just sensitive. I have a tendency to do one side of the face at a time. When I use the Master Mask at home, I love to use it as a conductor with my NuFACE device. I'll apply it and then start using a gentle movement going across my jawline to help work on that lifting effect. I go in the direction of the muscle from under the chin all the way back to the ear. After that, I'll switch over and work on the nasolabial folds, you know, the smile lines we all get. And then I'll turn my hand and work going up the cheek, encouraging a nice lift, works on that snatched effect we all want. And then of course to the eye. I do a nice lift and hold, lift and hold, lift and hold, encouraging those muscles to stay right where I've put them. And one last tip, always work in an upward direction. We need to fight gravity the best we can.